If you are an avid crafter that needs space to let your creativity free, then this is for you. I've partnered with Michael Stores to share how you can create the ultimate craft room using products from Simply Tidy. Simply Tidy has made it easy for me to combine my home office and craft room into one space, not only making the space multifunctional but cohesive. My shelf unit and desk was shifted to the other side of the room. It made sense to move it this way to accommodate the craft storage units. This is the Simply Tidy modular panel and modular mobile chest. It's the perfect storage unit for all of your stationery, file folders, and books. The mobile panel has 2 permanent shelves and 3 adjustable panels with 13 optional positions. The modular mobile chest is perfect for those talented crafters and planner addicts. The mobile unit has 5 drawers to store all of your necessary supplies. If you're in need of some desk space, no problem. Simply Tidy has a modular tabletop that is sold separately. The tabletop is pre-drilled, which allows you to connect the modular mobile chest and the modular panel mobile chest together. Instantly, you have a practical and functional desk. If you want to move your unit from room to room, no worries, because caster wheels are included, with both units making it easy to maneuver. And when you're all set up, you can lock your unit to keep it in place. What I love most about the Simply Tidy storage unit is that you can design your own dream storage space by stacking and combining additional cubes and accessories like the modular half cube. You can display your decor or supplies, and the modular cube is pre-drilled so you can add additional accessories like the Simply Tidy modular storage drawer, which is sold separately. I love storage units that can be used for so many things. The modular storage drawer has tons of small, customizable compartments to store glitter, glue, and markers. In the open compartment, you can store larger supplies. My paints are here now, but if I want to display them elsewhere and add the modular storage drawer, I can with no problem. The modular cube is so versatile. It comes with an adjustable shelf. It has 3 positions to suit your needs. Again, this cube is pre-drilled so you can add additional cubes and accessories like the modular pegboard, door, and hooks. This accessory is sold separately, but it's very easy to assemble, and it's also compatible with the modular cube. The S-hooks are included, which allows you to arrange the hooks to store and display and organize small tools or materials. Accommodate all of your organizational needs with the Simply Tidy Desktop Carousel. This self-contained carousel complements any desk space. Have your scissors, your pens, your markers, brushes right at your fingertips. This organizer has 3 drawers, 2 sets of 4 metal J-hooks, and an elastic band strip with 3 openings. It can also be used for your crafting, sewing, or school supplies, and it rotates for your convenience. Every home office, craft room, or classroom deserves the Simply Tidy workstation, giving you even more of a productive workspace to get organized with this clean-lined mobile workstation. This workstation features hinged sides to expand your worktop surface while in use. Lift the top work surface when needed. Your DIY projects will be easy, having a pull-out tray and a permanent shelf for your printers, your Cricut, and sewing machines. 3 spacious drawers are at the bottom, and I'm using every inch to accommodate all of my tech supplies, printer, paper, and envelopes. I hope this has given you the spark that you want to achieve. You can visit michaels.com for items you need to organize your work, craft, or office space. And I want to give Michaels a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I want to thank you all for watching.